Liquid ticket 8586, it's the Armstrong Worth oboe. And just on closer inspection of the bottom joint, I didn't pick this up initially on the first assessment, but you can see here there's a bit of damage going on our left pinky cluster. So we're going to resolve this damage. This will end up being really nasty once you get to the bottom of the range of the instrument. So we're going to sort that out. And then also you'll notice in here, look right here, I'm going to point with my screwdriver. Right here is what we call a pivot screw, and it holds this rod together. And the other end of the rod is here, and there's a pivot screw going into the other end of the rod. Now that pivot screw only goes a couple mils into the end and just holds them in place. You can see that this screw right there at the top there is backed out, and look at the amount of play we're getting in that key. And that results in a really nasty key action. You'll see when I press this key here, the whole, well, now that's bound up. See that? Up, down. So this binds together, and have a listen to it release. There we go. So we're going to need to, hopefully that's just a loose pivot screw. I'm a little bit concerned because this one right next to it, this pivot screw here, does look like it's been turned all the way in, but there's still, look at that. Oh, let me get you in frame here. There's still, we're looking right here at the top here, there's still quite a bit of play, and the pivot screw is loose. It's down, it's flush with the post, but it is loose in there. So we're just going to dismantle. We'll start with this section here, and we'll reassemble it. That's what I'm worried about most. This damage up here, largely cosmetic, we can put that back in, but it does make me worry that there may have been a drop. I was happy to see that when I put it on the mag machine, it was only leaking, we had about 1 inch of water difference. So we're going to readjust this, resolve this, clean, and then we'll dial in regulation a bit, and see how we're looking ceiling wise.